Alright, hopefully I got enough battery power for another segment. I got an extra battery in my bag. Let me pull it out in a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to go down the busy part of Rainy Street, the cool part. So it is Sunday, November 11th, maybe? And sure hard to believe it's middle of November for the weather we've been having. Alright, here's food trailers, bars. And it is 10:45. There's Bangers, a very popular beer garden. They have great barbecue in the back of that, sausages. Have a band there a little bit. When I get to this part, when I turn on the flasher, the back of my helmet, if I can find it. For some reason, can't find it. So turn this on. Oh, because I got the wrong helmet on. I got the one that I have to put the GoPro on. It doesn't have the back flash. My favorite barbecue place for pork ribs, Ironworks, has survived the condo onslaught, thankfully. Popular brunch spot. This is where they load up for the duck tours. Which if they went in water in one of those things, I would not be on it. I don't know if they still do that or not. All right, I think I'm gonna go down 6th Street, Dirty 6th, the Bourbon Street of Texas. Look a little different down here around 10 o'clock tonight. Or last night, today's Sunday. Because we'll be down here later tonight. We'll go see the Black Crowes at the Moody Theater. I think I'll go up Congress to the Capitol, see if my battery's got any juice left, and change it out. I'll probably go here for dinner tonight. Paramount coming alive 10th anniversary tour. Josh Brolin, Ruthie Foster. Yes, definitely less traffic. All right, I'm gonna go up to the Capitol building and change up my battery. Well, nobody's coming. All right, I think I'll finish at the Vietnam Memorial statue down here. Really well done. Good place to be for Veterans Day coming up tomorrow.